Kuchipudi dance. Kuchipudi, one of the 8 major classical dances of India, originated in the village of Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh. It's known for its graceful movements, intricate footwork, and expressive storytelling. Literature. Telugu literature has a long and illustrious history, with works ranging from ancient epics like the Mahabharata and Ramayana to modern poetry and prose. Notable Telugu literature figures include Nannaya, Tikkana, and Arrapragada. Cinema. The Telugu film industry, commonly known as Tollywood, is one of the largest in India, producing a vast number of films each year. It's known for its unique storytelling, vibrant visuals, and talented actors.